To change theme in Samsung S24 FE, first of all, open settings. Right now you will have to go into themes and you will have to actually go into this search and basically start searching for wherever you want. In my case, let's get something spooky. If you want to get completely free themes, you will have to input spooky free phrase. And now let's pick maybe this one. Yeah, it looks cool. Now we have to click download. By the way, right here we can find the preview of the ringtone and of alarm. Click download. Now you will have to wait for this process and click apply. And now as you can see, it's actually applying the theme, so we have to wait until it will be finished. There we go, and as you can see, that's how the theme looks. So the icons looks different, the colors look different, looks pretty nice actually. That's how it looks, the lock screen with this animation. So yeah, that will be all. Thanks for watching, and right now please subscribe to my channel.